realize that the journey is everything. There ain't no destination, man. The journey is everything.
Yo, what is going on, everybody? Team Murph back with another video. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I spent $320,000 on TikTok ads so far. And this will be like a series, like part 1, part 2, part 3. So smash the like button, subscribe if you want to stay up to date on pretty much TikTok ads and media buying, Shopify dropshipping. Staying, around the space helps. If you guys want more info, I'm just going to be most likely releasing a video every other day, maybe every day, depends how busy I get on TikTok ads, right? So let's break it down on TikTok. This is my ads manager for a higher ticket product. This ad account so far has only spent $102,000, but the $320,000 comes from various ad accounts. That's another thing. It's good to have multiple ad accounts when you're advertising on TikTok or pretty much any other platform. To begin, right, just to straight up tell you guys, TikTok is just an advertising platform, right? It's just an advertising platform. You just run ads on it. It's nothing crazy. It's not some cheat code, right, to have a ton of money. It's not. Yes, it helps scale your business, but if you guys don't have the back end right, if your creatives are just trash, right? If your creatives are terrible, they're not hooking, they don't provide any info to the customer, the first 3 seconds are extremely important, then you're not going to make it, right? You're just not going to make it. It's like I just said, it's not a secret recipe for making a ton of money online. I just want to let you guys know straight off the bat, it's not a secret formula, right? Simple. Now that you understand that, let's break down the different ways that you can run TikTok ads. So overall, we can see my average cost per click on this one ad account was 39 cents. CPMs $5, which is pretty good considering Facebook, obviously depending on the product, your niche, who you're targeting, $5 is not bad at all. Click-through rate, in my opinion, anything above a 1.5, a 1% click-through rate is pretty solid on TikTok. That's what my rep tells me as well. Anything above 1% is solid. Another thing is there's two different ways to bid, right? There's two different ways, not bid, but optimize your campaigns. Obviously, this is for using conversions when you're selecting complete payment on your TikTok ads. So the first one is cost cap. So the first one is cost cap. And cost cap pretty much is you're setting the bid to tell TikTok the purchase price that you want. So say you put a $28 bid, that's the purchase price that you want to aim for, or CPA goal on TikTok. So you're literally telling TikTok, hey, I want to spend $28 and I want to get a purchase. The problem with that is sometimes you don't always enter the auction. So this is the auction pool, and say there's a ton of people bidding for $28, you're going to be putting into this pool, and sometimes you might not win. So if there's all these people bidding $28, you're not always going to win. So if someone's bidding like $30, say they're bidding $30, is this person bidding $30, they're going to enter the pool more than you, and they're going to win more auctions or bids. But that doesn't always mean that they're going to get a $30 per purchase as well. And same thing with 28. Just because you put 28 doesn't mean you're going to get that purchase. And that's also the problem with cost cap. It's effective yet ineffective. So it's effective with pushing TikTok to get you that $28 cost per purchase, but it's also ineffective because it doesn't always enter this pool, right? It doesn't always give you the select audience. But there's also another thing that's helpful. So for cost cap, obviously, it doesn't always enter the pool, but say if, like we just said, it's $28, you're not always going to, like I said earlier, you're not going to spend that full amount to enter the auction. And the thing with this that's good is there's not any automatic rules right now for TikTok, which I hope they implement automatic rules. I think automatic rules is very important when scaling. So obviously, if you've been from Facebook, vice versa, any platform with rules, you know that if you enter a rule that says, hey, if it doesn't get $28, perhaps my break even or whatever, kill, right? Have that ad set turned off, kill. With TikTok, you don't have that option. So how the cost cap works is anywhere between 1.5 to 2.5 times your bid, the ad set won't spend. So if your CPA goes above this bid, again, our bid is $28. If our purchase price goes above 1.5 to 2.5 times on a daily basis, so say $28 times 1.5 to 2.5, we'll just say double that. Right? We'll say it's $56. If the CPA goes above $56, because that's 2 times, TikTok will automatically turn this off, which is kind of cool. It'll save your ad spend tremendously. So if you're scaling and you're worried about lost data or lost spend and you don't check your ads as often, cost cap could be a solution for you. Hopefully that makes sense for cost cap. For lowest cost, this used to be called max bid, but since they've changed the name to lowest cost, it's pretty much like Facebook, or you could just say auto bid. So lowest cost is it will try to find you the best CPA, hence the name lowest cost, for the lowest cost per purchase possible. The difference between this is we keep it open, right? And we have the same pool. We have a pool of people. And obviously we want to hit that $28 CPA. That's the example. But we're not always going to hit that $28 CPA. So if we have a $28 pool here and we want to get in, TikTok is going to say, hey, whoa, this is $28. We need to bid much higher. So maybe TikTok bids $35 in this case. They might bid $35 and get us in this pool, trying to say that's the lowest cost, but I like to say max because that's how it was before. It's literally maximizing your bid to $35 to try to win this pool of people. So it wants you to be number one almost every time. Number one, or try to win that bid. And the solution with this, obviously, it's nice. You know why? Because it's effective at spending your budget evenly throughout the day. So it will always spend $20. From what I've gone through spending $320,000 on TikTok, this is what I've come to find out. It will spend evenly throughout the day, but it may not always give you the best CPA, and that's the thing. It may or may not, depending on your ad account, depending on your ads, spend more than you would like, which isn't always good. So you have to be more on the ball when using max or lowest cost bid. So you might be saying, hey, T-Murph, this is cool, but what's the best strategy? What is the best strategy? Do I use cost cap? Do I use max bid / lowest cost? Let me know. What do you think is best? So what I would do when I first start testing, I normally don't use lowest cost because TikTok doesn't know what platform or bid to use, right? It's simple. They don't know the specific bid. So when we do lowest cost, it's pretty much TikTok's algo trying to find what we think does well. For example, say we have cost cap. The first thing that I would do would launch a couple broad ad groups. By broad, I mean no interest targeting. Broad, 18 to 55. Depending on what placement you want, male / female. TikTok ads, right? Just the placement, TikTok ads. And then I would have one ad group here, right? So this is one ad group, guys. One ad group and one ad. So one ad group, one ad, cost cap. So you want to put cost cap in here. The bid is cost cap. Say we're selling a $10 product. Put a $20 budget, right? You could put a $20 budget just to start out. But the cost cap that we want to have on it is, say if we're selling a $10 product, maybe have it at $6, maybe like half, usually half your CPA or what you want to do. And it's all just looking at the bid and seeing what works and what doesn't work. So say if it doesn't spend, you can up the bid the following day and just play with it. Really just play with it, guys. A lot of this is just analyzing data, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work, but split test different ads. So one ad per ad group to begin, cost cap, find that happy medium. Most likely start with half your CPA goal. And if it doesn't spend, up it a bit every day, every 2 days, whatever. It's all just how to see how it works. that was just a brief overview of how I saw cost cap versus max bid / lowest cost. This is just a quick video, guys, explaining this. There's so much info on TikTok ads that I really can't fit it into all these videos. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Also, you guys can follow me on Twitter at TMurphOfficial. We talk about e-com marketing and TikTok ads, pretty much everything going on right in the space. Also, if you want more content, I send out weekly emails on TikTok ads, just strategies and more concepts and skills that you need to have when, marketing online. So that will be in the description as well. You guys can join that. That's called TikTok Mastery. And I'll be doing all this stuff, right? Maybe every other day. So stay tuned. You guys can, if you want to learn more about TikTok ads and e-com. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Smash that like button. I'll see you guys till next video. Peace.